Bleeding gums. This is what we're talking about in our earlier video. So as you can see in the two pictures behind me, the teeth on the top is healthy gums. That's how it should look like. That's coral pink and it just falls onto the teeth. The teeth at the bottom, you can see it's red and inflamed, and it can sometimes be in the form of like a tire all around. Those are signs that the plaque is sitting there near the gum or into the gum, in the gaps in between the teeth, and they are causing gum disease, which if left untreated can go on to reach the bone comes away and start causing periodontitis or advanced gum disease, where the bone starts coming away from your teeth and your teeth initially starts to splay and then becomes loose and fall out. This can be completely prevented with good efficient brushing with an electric toothbrush, using something to clean in between the teeth, the contact points with floss, and the gaps underneath the contact points with an interdental brush and a toothpaste. So these are things that I would recommend for efficient toothbrushing to avoid gum disease. If your gums are bleeding in any particular area of the mouth, it could be because it's red and inflamed like it is there, and so you need to take a bit more time and effort with the brushing. As you can see in the picture below, some of the plaque that which collects within 24 hours of a brushing or a hygiene clean, goes hard within about 3 to 5 days in some people, and as early as 1 to 2 days in some people. And once plaque goes hard, you will not be able to brush it away, and you will need to see a hygienist to get the teeth cleaned. The plaque left on teeth for more than 5 days can start showing initial signs of gum disease. If you just brush it off, it can come away, but I would still recommend anybody to go for a hygiene appointment every 6 monthly. Even I do a hygiene appointment every 6 monthly, because no matter how well we brush, there are still going to be areas we are going to miss, and that can mean a lot of damage compared to the half an hour of a hygiene appointment.